Hi guys, if your iPhone is not receiving calls or your phone is not ringing even when someone calls you, don't worry. This is a common issue and in most cases it's caused by simple settings or network problems. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix iPhone not receiving calls step by step. Before we start, quickly check a few basic things. Make sure your SIM card is inserted properly, your phone has a network signal, and your iPhone is not in airplane mode. Try turning airplane mode on and off. Restart your iPhone. These small steps can fix temporary network glitches. Now let's move to the actual fixes. The first fix is checking blocked numbers. If you accidentally block someone, they cannot call you. To check, open Settings, scroll down and tap on App. Search for phone and tap on it. Tap Blocked Contacts. Now see if the number is in the list. If yes, unblock it. The second fix is turning off Silence Unknown Callers. This setting can silently block calls from numbers not saved in your contacts. To fix this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, then search for phone and tap it. Scroll down and tap Silence Unknown Callers. Turn it off. Your iPhone will now start receiving calls from unknown numbers again. The third fix is checking notification settings. Sometimes calls are coming but you are not getting alerts. Go to Settings, then tap Notifications, then tap Phone. Make sure Allow Notifications is on. Also, check sound and banner settings. The fourth fix is turning off Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. If DND or Focus Mode is on, your calls may be silenced. Open Control Center. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Also, check any active focus mode and disable it. The fifth fix is disabling call forwarding. If call forwarding is enabled, your calls may go to another number. To check, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, then search for phone and tap it. Now scroll down and tap Call Forwarding, then turn it off. The sixth fix is turning off VoLTE. In some cases, VoLTE causes call issues. To fix this, go to Settings, then tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. Turn off VoLTE, then test again. The seventh fix is resetting network settings. If nothing works, this is a strong fix. Go to Settings and General. Scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on the Reset and Reset Network Settings. This will reset all network related settings and fix deeper issues. Quick recap. To fix iPhone not receiving calls, check blocked numbers, turn off Silence Unknown Callers, enable notifications, disable Focus or DND, turn off call forwarding, disable VoLTE, reset network settings. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your iPhone is still not receiving calls, tell me your carrier and iPhone model in the comments and I'll help you fix it.